This van has 325,000 miles on it, and so I'm going to replace the cam position sensor. That is a common failure point and it causes a no crank, no start condition. So I'm going to replace that, and I'm going to have a spare on hand as well. We're going to go underneath the van. And we can see our cam position sensor right here. That's this guy. Should be a 10mm bolt, and unplugging the wiring harness to remove it. Then we'll pop the new one in. 10mm socket, short extension, easy work of that bolt. And there you have it. Got my replacement CPS here, that's the Camshaft Position Sensor. I got this from dieselorings.com. I went with the gray. They make a gray and a blue. I'm not getting any error codes currently, so I'm going to go with the gray. Apparently on some of these engines, if you're getting a cylinder contribution error, the blue one will help that, but I'm not having that error, so we'll try this one. Really good customer service from Jeff at Diesel O-Rings. Called and talked me through it, so we'll get this swapped in. We got the old CPS sensor here. Looks like it's in alright shape. We'll just throw it in the box as a spare. And the new one that's going in. I'm going to get in there and clean the connections first with some deoxit and put some dielectric grease on as well, just to protect that connector. Time to install the new sensor. There's the new sensor in place, and just have to bolt it in, hook it back up. Okay, got that all tightened up, and I just need to hook this connector back up. There we go. Got the new CPS in, let's see how it does.